Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be showing you what to do if the doors on your Samsung American style fridge freezer aren't closing properly. If the doors are obstructed, heat will be able to escape, so your fridge freezer won't be able to get to its desired temperature, and it will be using up a lot more energy as well. First, you'll need to check that your fridge door is closing correctly. If something's obstructing the door, then heat will escape from the fridge, which means it won't be able to reach its desired temperature. To find out what's causing the problem, there are a few things we need to check. Firstly, check the contents of the fridge. Make sure that your fridge is not overcrowded and that items aren't sticking out at the front, causing them to knock against the door as you try and close it. If this is the case, you'll need to give your fridge a clear out and get rid of any unwanted items or items that are past their sell-by dates. If this isn't possible, you'll just need to rearrange the fridge so that nothing's knocking against the door. Overstocking your fridge can also block the air vents, which can lead to poor circulation, which can affect the temperature of your fridge. So it's recommended that you always keep your fridge half to 3/4 full. Next, you're going to want to check the shelving on the fridge door. The shelves are meant to be in a specific place, so if they've been removed, possibly for cleaning, and put back in the wrong place, this will prevent the door from closing. So as you can see here, these shelves are in the wrong place, so the door won't shut properly. So now if I simply swap these shelves around, that should allow the door to close properly again. As well as the shelves, the lower drawers in your fridge's cabinet need to be in a specific location too. So check these are in the correct place and that your fridge door is closing properly. Whilst you're checking the bottom drawers, it's a good idea to check if something's stuck behind them, as this could be stopping the door from closing too. Finally, you're going to want to check that your doors are level. If they're not level, they won't be able to shut due to the height difference, and you can change the level of the doors by adjusting the feet, which you can access at the side at the bottom of your machine. I'm just going to insert a flat screwdriver into the slot of one of the feet. You can turn it clockwise or anti-clockwise, and this increases or decreases the height of the doors, which will level the fridge accordingly. The process can be repeated on both feet if the fridge still isn't level. We hope this has helped you solve the problem of your doors not shutting on your Samsung American style fridge freezer. If your doors haven't been shutting for a while, your fridge may have been using up a lot of energy to stay cool. But there are other reasons why your fridge may be using up a lot of energy, so check out our video below on energy saving tips so your appliance isn't costing you more than it should. Before you go, be sure to subscribe for videos on appliance repairs, maintenance guides and all things eSpares. Thanks for watching!